himself up. Julian Reva, number 7. Again, number 18. Number 18. That's himself out.
Ito tayo ngayon guys, laban natin. Idol to, ang gwapo nito eh. Makupal! Makupal! Tara ka nun! Tara ka nun! So, balik laro division naman tayo ngayon guys. Ayun guys, kasama ko na sila Linando do. Okay. Kanina ka pa?
Kanina pala, mga 20 minutes na.
20 minutes. Sino mga kasama?
Ako pa lang, wala pa si Katus na utay.
Katos na, mukhang negative yun. Ikaw lang ngayon.
Ako lang po tayo.
Kaya mo na yan.
Kaya ko na yun tayo.
Sa YouTube naman tayo.
And happy viewing mo pala sa SCQ version. Sana gusto mo, hindi kasi nagkaroon happy viewing. First ball possession para sa barangay. Sana gusto mo is lane number 6. Season opening na good. Is player number 18. That's the number 29 to player number 18. Lays it up, naked. And number 28 picks up the rebound. That's the player number 26. And there is also a pitching foul for jersey number 31. Player number 31 committed first personal and a first team foul for Barangay. Foul number 1. Is player number 28. Number 28, and there's a foul. Foul for jersey number 29. Number 29, committed first personal, second team foul for Fatima 1. Shooting 2 for jersey number 28. First drive, short. Short. Second drive, split charity for jersey number 28. Number 31, that's the play number 10. Boot at ang inabot for jersey number 23. Number 23 picks up the rebound. That's the jersey number 9. Number 9, intercepted jersey number 40. He's a player number 29, pass to number 18, Garcia. Naked. 25. Intercepted jersey number 31. Number 31. Side 7 move. Basket and 1. The foul for jersey number 61. 61? 61, no? with it first personal, first team foul. Number 28 picks up the rebound. Is player number 61, 15 to shoot. Number 25, 2 points. Number 31, the player number 14, 2 points. Is player number 61 off to player number 23. Back to number 61. To player number 25. To number 23, pull up jump, 2 points. Is player number 18, Garcia, pass to Hamor. Number 29, shot, 2 points. Is player number 61 on the leader, pass to number 25, second na, intercepted by jersey number 31, number 18, intercepted by jersey number 61. Number 61 pass to number 28 to number 25. Shot, negid. 23 pala yun. 25 on the putback, 28 took the glass, 2 points. Is player number 29. Shot, short. The same ball ay mapupunta ng bola para sa ating mawang. Number 18, fires for 3. Negid. Same ball. Substitution, ready for sub. 18, pass to jersey number 31. Running shot, negid. 28 picks up the rebound, pass to number 61. He's player number 61. Nagmamadali, pass to number 23. 2 points. He's player number 10. Number 10. There's a whistle. There's a foul. Foul for jersey number 9. That's all. Substitution. Number 9 giving it first personal. Second team foul. Shooting for 2 in first drive for jersey number 10, Naked. Second drive, split charity for jersey number 10, Dino. Is player number 25. Pass to number 28. Number 28, pass to number 25. On the attack. Basket Edmond. A foul for jersey number 14. Number 14 with the first personal 50 foul for Bandai Fatima 1. On a free throw for jersey number 25. Okay. Number 23, another misses for player number 23. Isa ba? Wala. Another misses. Another budget picks up for the ball. Pass to jersey number 31. Number 31 on the attack. Pass to jersey number 18, Garcia. Garcia to Amor. Nadala sa bola. Number 9, pass to jersey number 25. 25, buta lang inabot. So number 23, Miller. Is player number 18 and there's a whistle. There's a foul for jersey number 28. Ilan? First person on 13 foul. Is player number 18, Garcia. Lays it up, naked. And number 9 picks up the rebound. That's a player number 25. Castillo on the attack. 2 points. And number 31, Nagid. There's the whistle. There's the bell. Foul for jersey number 28. With a first personal warning for penalty. First right for jersey number 40 is basket. Second try, Nagid. Ready for substitution. Is player number 25. Player number 9. Off the glass, Nagid. Number 28, put back to boys. Is player number 18.
Uli.
It is after jersey number 28, pass to number 69. He's from number 69, Nagid to 25 points. Time out, Barangay, 5-1. And remaining 3 minutes and 14 seconds, 8-7 ladies to count, 9.8, Barangay San Agustin 1.
Nakay tumakbo ka ha. Sige, yun ano lang natin yung kapag anong problema lang dito. Yung nandoon, kapag nasa loob na, double team lang natin para hindi na sila makasalaksak. Huwag nyo rin sila patitirahin sila pass kasi home court nila. Magamay nila.
Back to the ball game. Is player number 26, pass to number 31. Number 31, and there's the whistle, there's a foul. Upper jersey number 1, committed first personal, penalty. First try is basket. Second try, 2-4-2. Is player number 25. That's the number 12, De La Cruz. Position number 1. That's the number 27. 80 shoot. Traveling, violation.
Bawi!
Is player number 27. Downtown, Nagid. That's the jersey number 25. Is player number 12, 2 points, De La Cruz. Number 25, pass to player number 12, pass to number 27. Same ball, 16 seconds on the shot clock. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Ready for substitution. Number 25, speed move, pass to number 12 to jersey number 69. 2 points. Number 26, Binato. Wala mapupunta sa barangay San Agustin 1, substitution. Is their number 7. That's the number 69. Player number 12, 10 to shoot. Number 27, full of J, 2 points. Steal by jersey number 69, pass to player number 27, Hayag. To jersey number 7, pass break to jersey number 26, and to player number 26, lays it up, both the down in our by jersey number 7, pass to number 3, 2 points. Or is that number 27? 7, brother. Still, 18 seconds. De La Cruz. Pass to number 26 off the glass. Nugget. To boys, jersey number 19. 10 seconds remaining. 3 seconds.
Basket down.
Basket down.
Uli, uli.
Two points. There's a result foul. Foul number 19, number 19. First personal foul, first team foul. First to the basket. Two out of two. Fifteen on the shot clock. Turnover. Wala na ang Fatima. Number 26 to number 19. Number 19, 2 points. Fifteen on the shot clock. 10. Go downtown, no good.
Live. Tatlo!
To number 7. Stringer, substitution rep. Thirteen on the shot clock. Rebounds, number 7. After breaks. Long 2.
Uli.
Turnover, substitution rep. Yung kanino pa siya doon? Asar na dito.
Uli, uli.
13 on the shot clock. Number 7, no good.
Ayan, ganda nun.
Number 18, Garcia. Garcia, 2 points.
Official score 29-20. 9-point lead para sa Barangay San Agustin. Ten on the shot clock. There's a result. Foul. Foul number 18. Number 18. Substitution rep.
Ano ba?
First personal foul, first team foul. First row basket. 2 out of 2. Time remaining 6 minutes and 2 seconds. For 3, no good. There's a foul. Foul number 28. Substitution. Second personal foul. Second team foul. For 3 points.
Atake, nasa likod. Foul shot.
Baser. Wait na.
Tawag.
Na-reset po. 1 minute.
Bakit nag-round?
Apat na lang pala.
Garcia sa ilalim. Foul up, very good.
Atake, nasa likod na.
To number 64. To number 7 for 3, no good. To number 3, Veras Reyes, nice steal. Number 7 uses the glass, 2 points. Veras Reyes, no good. Same ball.
Ball pa rin.
14 on the shot clock. To number 18. Down to 10. 5.
Wala.
24-second violation.
Bila. Bila, hali. Bila.
10 on the shot clock. For 3. No good. Rebound number 10. There's a foul. Foul number 7. First personal foul. 13 foul. 15 on the shot clock. 10. Number 3 uses the glass, no good. Rebound San Agustin. To number 7. Number 7. There's a foul. Foul number 0. Substitution. First personal foul, second team foul. Number 31, there's a zone foul. Foul number 21, substitution rep. First personal foul. Number 3, 14 on the shot clock. 10. 5 on the shot clock. Foul off by number 42 points. Number 64 to number 61. 43, no good. Foul rebound by number 14. Pass break to number 18. To number 40. To number 31. 12 on the shot clock.
Uli, uli.
Steal San Agustin. To number 61. There's a foul. Foul number 31. Second personal foul. First throw basket. Second throw basket. 2 out of 2. Time remaining 2 minutes. Number 18 for downtown, no good. Substitution. Number 9. Number 9, no good.
Nice. Ball,
Same ball. 12 on the shot clock. Again, 12 seconds on the shot clock. Okay.
Pasok, pasok.
2 points to number 11. Tujuan sa ilalim. Same ball. 12 seconds on the shot clock. One minute. Number 9, no good. Number 0, 55 seconds. Number 18 to number 40. What a play, 2 points. 45 seconds. Number 18, foul, blast the basket. Foul number 64. First personal foul, substitution. Pasok na ba? First personal foul, penalty situation. $25 seconds. 15 on the shot clock.
Walang backward.
Backcourt violation. 14 second time remaining for the second quarter. Ten seconds. 5.
Good, 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 good.
And the brace up, he just got to divide the 21, 4 lead. Back to the back, 7 straight quarters.
Nasa first five. Kasi first five. Iniban kay Sir Aguilar. Pahinga muna si Aguilar. Sir Aguilar. Balik na tayo sa trap natin ng half press. Pasok. Double team. Sino dito agad? Sino? Tsaka sino? Yan. Dalawa kayo. Ito ang magiging problema natin. Ang problema natin ito, kailangan masipag ha. Kasi once na nakapasa na, ang ano, kapag gumalaw na to, gumalaw din kayo. Kasi kapag hindi yan gumalaw, automatic yan, mapapasa lang. Sayang lang to, mapapagalan tayo, ano, makakapag-discuss na ito. Kailangan, kapag nagano, nagpasa, double team. Ito yung ano, kaya sila nakaka-score. Kasi once na nandito na yung kalaban, hindi nyo din na double team. Dapat na double team ng mga big man natin. Para at least kahit pa paano, hindi sila maka-score. Tsaka dikitan nyo, huwag kayo matakot sa foul, ha? Tingnan nyo, ilan lang foul natin. Actually sa inyo, wala pang ibang yung foul sa inyo. So, dikitan na lang natin, tsaka marami na tayo pwede pang-sap. Okay? Physical tayo rin, like na rin ako physical, yun lang naman. Good one.
Ibayan mo muna. Go.
Back to the ball game.
Fifteen on the shot clock. Turnover, ball around. San Agustin 1. Same ball, 14 on the shot clock. Number 23.
Foul.
Out of bounds, ball it out. Fatima 1. Baba sa dalawa ang kalamangan ng San Agustin 1. 35 to 33. San Agustin 1. Trying to make 8 days and 58 seconds. If you can score, hold 35.
Yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, sir, eh. Dito tayo nadadali, o yung ano natin, yung tempo. Umaangat, di naman umaangat, hindi na malamang, titira siya. No choice tayo, magbabakso na lang tayo. Yung apat dito, tapos yung ano, number 7. Sir, kunin mo rin naman sa kanila. Kailangan yung room ka lang, wag kang magdala kang ikutin. Sige,
Let's back to the movie.
Tama. Check na ulit. Ayaw mo. Good. Okay. Tigiro.
Ay, San Agustin 1. Number 25 to number 61 for downtown. 2 points. There's the result, foul. Foul number 25. First personal foul. First team foul. Extra ready. Second round basket, 1 out of 2. Number 28. Number 55. Two points. Baba sa dalawang kalamangan. For 3, no good. 15 on the shot clock. Sa ilalim. Power up. 2 points. We have a background. All 40. Same ball. 17 on the shot clock. Substitution rep. Pasok.
Kabiling.
There's a result. Traveling violation. Ready for substitution. Perimeter jump. Basket.
Box one.
Same ball. Substitution. Nice steal ang Barangay San Agustin. Fast break. 2 points. Number 61.
Huli ka. Ay,
Same ball. Working on the shot clock. Down to 10.
bibitaw yan. 3 seconds.
Second variation. Officials on 14 to 26. 6.3 para sa Barangay San Agustin 1. Eighteen on the shot clock. 10. To number 40. To number 18. Garcia. 2 points. As a result, foul. Foul number 18. Substitution. Number 18, first personal foul. First team foul. Number 69. 10 on the shot clock.
Good, good.
5 on the shot clock to number 61. Move on to number 40 to number 18. Number 18, 2v2 situation. Number 18, no good.
Good D, good D.
Number 25, sa ilalim. 2 points.
Hindi tayo mo ba?
Foul, foul.
Goes to Rizal, foul. Who's fouled up?
Yung nasa nig, di ba? Sir, sniper ka po, nasa na bola doon ka. Okay? Tapos, sir, dalawa kayo. Kunin niyo yung dalawang point guard. Tingnan niyo sir, kaya mula na ano natin, basta isa natin. Mula nung ano natin, na-cover up natin yung ano, yung dalawang guard, hindi na sila nakakasa. So dalawa kayo, kunin niyo yung dalawang guard, yun lang tawag yun sa depensa. Tapos outlet pass kayo pa, sa papasahan na lang kayo dyan. Kayong tatlong nilalim sir, dito na kayo. Huwag na kayo aangat kasi kailangan kayo.
Let's back to the phone game. 14 on the shot clock.
Una, nakaka-play. Bitaw.
10 on the shot clock.
Bang, nice one. Nice one.
2 points. I see ng barangay San Agustin to number 7 to number 12. There's Rizal. Foul. Is foul at number 3. Number 3. First personal foul. Second team foul. Substitution. Two shots to number 12.
So,
There's no basket. The last throw, no good. 1 out of 2. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. There's the result foul. Foul number 7. Number 7. Second personal foul, 13 foul. Basket, 1 out of 2.
pinatay.
2 minutes, time remaining. 15 on the shot clock.
Bakit pag-away?
10. The numbers
Ay!
27, 3 points. There's the ball, number 69. Substitution. Number 69. There's the ball, 1 for penalty. There's the ball. On number 0, number 0 penalty situation. There's the ball. Last stop. And 2. So that is 7.
Ganda, sayang.
Turnover.
Hindi na napansin yun.
So number 7. Number 18. 15 number 7. Number 7, Ben Cruz. Saudara Rus. Kemudian Waba, number 7. No good. Pass rate to number 18.
Nice, nice.
Single.
Nice, D.
20 seconds on the wheel. 20 seconds. 20 on the shot clock.
Uli, uli.
Last two on the ground, San Isidro. Kemudian Waba. Legazpi, Legazpi, kemudian Waba. 25 seconds. Shada is signing up. 15 seconds.
Good, D, good, D.
10. Five seconds.
Nangisa, nangisa.
First five. Balik na sa first five. First five. Ayun. First five. Kasi sabi ko, uy sir, ba't dyan ka? Balik ka dito. Yung isa pa ba yung sarila? Ingal. Sir, sa panta. Bukas tayo sa game ha. Ngayon tatlo kayo. Lalim lang kayo sir. Pansinin nyo saan tayo nakalayo na score. Yung hindi na nagagalaw yung mga guardia. Sa bagyan sila papasakit. Okay? So sino yung dalawang head? Ito. Ikaw siya na sir. Sir, tatlo na kayo dito. All goods? Basta itong dalawa, wag yung papawak yung dalawa yun. Yan na dyan tayo yung isang now guardia.
Nice, nice. Basket. Babo.
15 on the shot clock. Number 25, 14 on the shot clock. 10. 5 on the shot clock. It's step up for 3. No good. Foul number 9. Time out. Barangay San Isidro. It's for you.
Dalawa kayo. Ikaw na lang umangat. Ikaw na lang umano. Kunin mo yung sir, yan number 26.
Dalawa yung guardia, di ba? Balita na lang.
Tigisa kayo. Basta pagkaganan.
It's after the bogey. Time remain 8 minutes and 52 seconds. Number 20, Barangay Mulunod.
Goodie, goodie.
Turnover, bola lang, Barangay Fatima Ulo. Number 31, Legendary 2 points. Sa ilalim, single, 13 on the shot clock. Number 25,
Foul, foul.
red ball, same ball. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Again, 9 seconds. 9 to shoot. Pass break, not a break now. Number 26. Number 26. Sinangan.
Traveling, traveling. Yan.
Traveling violation. Substitution, 13 on the shot clock. Number 61, Sanchez. 10 on the shot clock. 5.
Ay, tayo.
Turnover, bola lang, Barangay Fatima Ulo. Official score, 57 to 48, 11 points, and number 3.
Goodie.
Number 25 to number 23. Number 23 pa rin, 2 points. Balik sa 11 ang kalamangan ng Barangay San Agustin Ulo. Sa ilalim, yung foul. Foul, number 11, pushing foul. First personal foul, second team foul. First number 2. Seven up, one out of 2. Substitution. That's all. Same ball, 19 on the shot clock. Eight on the shot clock, 3-second violation, substitution. This is all foul. Foul number 23, number 23. Third personal foul, 13 foul. Last ball. Basket. Pabasa walo ang kalamangan ng Barangay San Agustin 1. Long two, no good. Dahil kay number 14. Pass break. Out of bounds, bola lang. Ball sa number 6. First foul. Foul number 40, number 40. Second personal foul, first team foul, 2 shots for number 25.
Sasama ba kami sa vlog ni tatay? Sama ko kayo mamaya.
Second throw basket.
Kabiling. Kabiling.
Offensive foul, number 10 ng Fatima Uno. First personal foul. $15 on the shot clock.
Counted.
There's a foul number 40, number 40, third personal foul. Second team foul. Sablay pa rin. Turnover. Bola na. Fatima Uno. $15 on the shot clock. For 3, no good. Turnover, bola na. Fatima 1. Substitution. Number 31. Sa ilalim. Number 0, no good. Nakuha na barangay sa akin Agustin. Pass break. Out of bounds. Bola ng Fatima 1. Substitution. Pasok. Substitution.
On the guard na.
Number 18.
Ay, napasok.
Number 7, baba sa tatlong kalamangan. 60 to 57. 15 on the shot clock. 10. So 3 no good. Nariwa na Fatima Uno. Pass break. Number 7, number 18. Number 18, 2 points. Isa na lang ang kalamangan. The team on the shot clock. Nice steal of Fatima. 3v1 situation. Sablay. Tunabayay Sablay din. Para may foul. Let's power up. Number 0. Substitution. Pasok. Number 0 sa personal foul. 13 foul. Third pa lang. Wala pang penalty. 13 foul. 17 on the shot clock. Step back, Lara, number 61, Mayfield. Lari dalam barangay Patina 1. Last 2 minutes. Once again, 2 points. Baligtad na ang sitwasyon. Labangan ang isa. Ang barangay Patina 1. Mayfield, lari dalam Patina. Pass break to number 18. Number 18, 2 points. Alright.
Dalawa din gumagawa. Diyan yung ano, sino pwede kumakot sa may t-shirt? Ikaw na, tapos ikaw dun sa isa. Pwede, ano ba? Wait, ano mensado tayo? Harap tayo, tutugan tayo, mag-pressure na
Sa akin
tayo.
lang yung 26 ha, yung may damit ha.
Number 7, number 61, 10 on the shot clock. Full drop, 2 points.
Pencil!
Number 40 to number 31, bigyan to number 40, is 2 points. Personal foul. Foul number 40, warning for foul dart, warning for penalty.
Pasok.
First round of good, last throw. Sablay pa rin, Siraja po, last 1 minute. Traveling violation, 54 second time remaining. 65 to 62, 3-point lead to Barangay Patina 1. 2 points, 1-point lead. Time out. Time out.
Sa akin yung nakaputi, yung damit ko na isa. Isa. Tandaan nyo.
First defense, 2-1. First defense, 2-1 tayo. Dalawa kayo dito. Ikaw dito, sir. Pag bumaba dito, man-to-man tong 4. Maliban to, wag mawawala to dito, sir. Huwag nyo rin papabelohin. Basta dito.
Tawag na lang yung dito. Siya lang na.
Dito muna tayo. First defense, pressure muna tayo. Second defense, pag nandito yung bola, man-to-man tayo. Maliban dito sa center. Goods? Okay, sige, naman tayo.
Good.
50 second time waiting for the final quarter. 50 second. There we go. Foul. Foul number 7. Number 7. Subdivision. Open penalty. 1-point penalty.
Wala kang penalty!
50 is a 1-point penalty.
Depensa!
Number 17, personal foul. Upward shooting.
Challenge mo!
Pasok.
Challenge mo! Tawagin na yung referee!
Ang layo na din. Ang layo na din.
Good shot. Number 23, running point. Portugal. Good shot by number 49. First single goal.
Sino sa puti? Huwag mo papahanuin. Yung isa mano, ito, number lang na 20.
Yes, yes.
Yung center. Kunin mo yung center. Yun o, yung center. Yan lang yung tatlong gumagawa. Silang tira, itong dalawa dito na kayo. Okay? Pressure tayo ha, pressure.
Walang foul. Walang foul. Goodie.
14 on the shot. Hands up block. Game over.
George, bola George! Huwag, kaya pa to, huwag ka na!
20 seconds time remaining.
Oh, rebound.
Tobats, bola, Tobats!
25 seconds. Barbaras sa basket. Number 14, Kyle Brown.
Foul out.
Substitution, pasok. Bonus free throw. Ready jumper. Basket. 22 seconds. Shot clock is signing off. 27. Tatlo ang kalawangan. Samuel. There's a foul. Foul number 7. Number 7.
Tay, 4% na lang, tay.
Tuloy mo na yan.
Wala akong misa. Isa.
Last red, 12 seconds. Last red, apat ang kalabangan. 12 seconds, time remaining. 10. 5 seconds. There's a foul number 0. Two shots para kay number 7. Last out, that's it.
Pray mo na, pray, pray! Ito na. San Agustin 1 on 3, 1 on 3!
So ayun guys, tapos na yung laban ng Interbarangay ng Baliklaro Division sa pagitan ng San Agustin 1 at Fatima 1. Home court ng Fatima 1, panalo San Agustin 1. Score natin 66-71. Sobrang ganda ng laban, dikit na dikit lang. Ganda ng pinakita ng both teams. Hanggang dito na lang yung vlog. Thank you mga thumbs up.